She's approaching the first checkpoint.
Activating the diversion ramp now. We have collected the samples for batch 45B. Quality control confirms everything is within specification. Approved.
We've reached capacity on tank 3. Confirmed. The transfer is complete.
The consistency is right where we need it, smooth and clear.
Confirmed. Data matches the standard.
Excellent. Initiate the transfer sequence. Gauge is reading optimal pressure.
Confirmed. Flow rate is exactly where it should be.
The viscosity is right on target. Yes, the blending is proceeding perfectly.
The color saturation looks spot on.
Agreed. Let's maintain the mixer speed for another 3 minutes.
Tovipinj. Workers add floral fragrance to the pink refined fat mixture. Engineers monitor blending performance. The scent spreads.
Parameters are stable. Viscosity is on target.
Agreed. Continuous operation approved.
The color and consistency are well within the standard deviation.
Looks good. Let's approve the batch.
Look at the viscosity reading here. It's perfectly within tolerance. Agreed. The adjustments have significantly improved the yield.
Inspection complete, everything looks tight. All right, let's bring it online.
Pressure's rising, flow is steady.
The texture and viscosity meet the standard. This section is approved.
We're removing one imperfection here, but the rest can proceed.
How are the measurements looking over here?
Everything is precise, Supervisor. The automation is working perfectly.
The cooling cycle initiated on schedule. Airflow looks good.
Confirmed. The bars are stabilizing nicely.
The temperature drop is stabilizing nicely right here.
Yes, the refinement is working perfectly. We should see peak firmness at the exit.
Looks good. The logo alignment is within tolerance. Excellent. The new press is working well.
Check the alignment stats for the last hour. Looks consistent, within the acceptable margin.
Look at the performance metrics here.
Everything is well within tolerance levels.
The shine and surface quality look excellent on this batch. Agreed. Logging the data now.
Reworks are down to 0.1% for the shift.
Excellent. The new vision system is performing as expected.
The registration is drifting slightly on the third spindle.
Confirmed. I'm adjusting the feed rate now. Keep an eye on the color consistency.
The throughput matches the projection exactly.
Good. The structural integrity here looks sound. Let's clear it for shipment.
Inventory levels for the soap cartons are stabilizing.
Good. Let's optimize the forklift paths for the afternoon shift.
Verify load count on trailer 3. 10-4. Bill of lading confirmed. All right, driver, pull it out slow. We got you cleared to the highway.
The northern fleet is running slightly behind schedule. Reroute them via the I-80 bypass immediately.